it's Tony Robbins. Listen, you've come to the department or the part of our organization that produces the fastest result in the most enjoyable way, and that's called live events. Listen, if you want to create change and you want to do it right now, you know that coaching is the way to get it done. You go to someone who has the expertise, who's produced the result again and again, they've got a track record, and you get them to coach you. The challenge, of course, is getting somebody who's the best to work with you one-on-one is pretty darn difficult. In my own case, I'm privileged enough to get 7 figures to coach an individual for a year. But there is an opportunity for us to work together and for me to be able to coach you with the best of what I've learned in a process I've refined literally over 3 decades. And our events are all based around the idea of total immersion coaching. How do we get you to get the most explosive growth and change in your body, in your emotions, in your finances, in your relationship, in your career, in the shortest period of time? And how do we make it so damn fun that you can't believe it? Because most people, let's face it, if you say, I'm going to go to a seminar, I can't tell you how many people I've invited over the years. They're like, oh, I'm not going to sit there. I remember one particular celebrity friend who's like, I can't sit anywhere for more than 2 hours. And, I brought him to an event. And, this person is sitting in the event and their eyes are out of the back of their head. Their eyes are so big they can't even believe it. They're saying, this is the most incredible thing I've ever seen. I mean, you have to be curious. If you're watching this right now, you probably have heard or know somebody that's been to one of our events and you've seen what's happened in their life. They've shared with you the results they've had, or you can check one of our videos or all the testimonials of results. The reason it works is because it's total immersion. But the reason they love it so much is it gets results. It works and they love the process. I mean, you've got to be curious to think about how could we have an event where in one weekend, over the course of 3.5 days, you could get people where they said it was the greatest experience of their life, and many of them got dragged there by somebody else who'd already been saying, come on, trust me, you just got to try it. Some people didn't want to be there at all. But what happens is you go through a process that helps you to discover what controls the way you think, the way you feel, and what you do in your life. Every thought, every feeling, every emotion you experience in this lifetime is shaped by beliefs and values. All of your life is controlled by decisions you make. Decisions about what to believe, decisions about what to feel, decisions about what to do. And most of us are on automatic pilot, letting the world trigger us instead of taking back control of our life. And when you do that, just think of it this way. Anything you want to change. You want to change your body. You want to change your career, your business, your relationship. What to do requires the right strategy. If you want to lose weight and keep it off, you can't obviously just throw your pendulum and go on some silly diet. You got to know the things that are going to give you lasting results. So we teach those strategies. But some people even know what to do, but they don't do it. And why are we able to get people to do it, to follow through? Because 80% of success in anything, my friends, is psychology. And 20% is the mechanics. What that means is there's how to do stuff and there's why to do stuff. How to do it is not that complex. And if you really learn from somebody who knows those refined distinctions, they can show you those tipping points, those things you can do where in the least amount of time you get the biggest result. That's what I've spent 30 years basically studying. Like what makes couples go from wanting to kill each other to passionately want to make love together when they haven't done that for weeks or months or sometimes years. There's triggers that absolutely work. Or what makes somebody go from every single day overeating to one day, that's it, no more, and they make that shift where they do the things they've been talking about doing for years. I've had 3 decades of studying more than 4 million people from 100 countries. So at this point, I could be an idiot, and I'd have to be able to see that there's certain patterns in human behavior that make people crazy, make them frustrated, make them overwhelmed, make them depressed, make them give up. And there are other patterns that people have that absolutely light them up. They get them excited. They get them passionate. They get them where all of a sudden they develop a different habit, a different set of triggers where they find themselves following through consistently and doing the things that make what they dream about real. Those patterns, those triggers are really, really critical. So it's not enough to know just what to do. You got to know why you're going to do it, and you've got to align it with the way your brain functions. I know this sounds complex, but let me just tell you how we do this. We do it over the course of multiple days in total immersion with music and energy. And if you've never wanted to be in anything at all, but you enjoyed a rock concert or you enjoyed an NBA championship, you'll love this process as well. What I mean by that is, just imagine, most people in this life would never sit for a 3.5 hour movie that someone spent $200 or $300 million to make. They're too impatient. Our attention span just won't stay with that. And yet we do this all over the world Do it in Australia with 5,000 people. Do it in London with 12,000 people. And we have headsets. We have people from all over the world coming. We often have 4 different languages being translated. And I might have, like in Australia, Anthony Hopkins sitting in the audience who's obviously incredibly successful, knighted by the Queen, Academy Award winner. I mean, why would he be there? Kind of got dragged there, but then he wouldn't leave, right? And I got a soccer mom from Germany, with a headset on, who's hearing everything translated, who's out of her mind. How are you able to keep those people totally immersed? And you can vote with your feet at any time. All of our events have a money-back guarantee, so you can get up and say, it's not for me. And people stay from every walk of life, from virtually every culture you can imagine around the world. Because the process we're doing not only works, it's so much fun, it's so enjoyable, and it transforms your ability to meet your own needs. What does that mean? Well, everyone has different values. Everyone has different goals or dreams, cultural background, religious beliefs. But human beings have something in common. We have the same fundamental needs. When your needs are met, you are lit up like a Christmas tree. You feel alive. You feel passionate. When your needs are not being met, you're going to feel a level of frustration or anger or fear or uncertainty or stress or maybe just boredom that just sucks the life out of a human being. All of us have 2 things we really want to master. If you think about it, we have things we want to make better, change, or improve. I mean, I don't care who you are. If you're totally honest, there's always an area of our life we'd like to make better. If your career's perfect, your body's out of shape. If your body's great, you probably don't have enough time with your kids. If you spend all the time with your kids, your intimate relationship is probably not passionate. If your relationship's really passionate, maybe you're not taking care of your finances. I mean, it's the nature of human beings to focus on certain areas and miss others, and they tend to bite us later on. What I do is create a process where you're able to figure out what it is you really want in each of the areas of your life that are most important, what it is that's missing, show you where you want it, help you find out where you want to go, and then show you a set of strategies to maximize it. But then we click on the part that makes it all move forward, which is your emotion and your psychology. I mean, think about it. Information without emotion is forgotten. If I asked you, where were you on the day of, 9/11, no matter where you are in the world, American or not, most people remember the moment they heard it, what was around them, where they were, what they experienced. If I asked you, where were you on 6/11, most people have no clue. If I asked you anything I ask you about that has an emotional intensity to, there's this vivid understanding and memory. So what we do is take the information to change your life and attach an emotion to it within yourself that gets you to follow through. And that's what makes it enjoyable, and it's also what makes it work. In essence, here's what we do at all of our events. We do 3 things. Number 1, we get you totally focused on what matters most to you, not someone else. We don't decide for you. You decide what's most important. What do I want to make progress on? What do I want to change? What do I want to transform? And we put you in a state of just total laser focus. And when you're in that state, it feels incredibly powerful because most of us live our life bouncing around. I was reading some research recently where they talked about people today who are always multitasking, never focused. They're always doing 12 different things, never completely there. It's having an impact on the way our brains function. In fact, the journal in, I don't remember the exact journal, but the journal in Britain, the psychological journal that described this, did a long-term study and found that people that are constantly multitasking, never focusing, are creating a different structure in their brains. And it affects them. It slows them down. It makes them less powerful, less effective. We all know the power of focus. But when's the last time you got yourself out of the pattern of your daily life and got totally focused on what matters most to you and did it in a state where you felt strong, alive, passionate, and with other people that you could learn from and be immersed with? It's pretty rare, isn't it? So when you get totally focused on what you want, a simple principle is wherever focus goes, energy flows. If you spend all your time and focus on your career, but your career's doing great or doing better than most people's right now, if you put all your focus in your kids, I bet your kids are doing great and you have a great relationship with them. But the areas you're not focusing on are costing you. We're going to help you focus on the areas that matter most. Now, once you're totally focused and you know what you want, what your goal is, you know where you are and where you want to go. You understand where the gap is. That's healthy. Now, the second thing we need for you, the second pillar for sustainable success, think of these, if you would, as like, what does it take to have success last? What does it take to make a change last? Well, the first thing you need is this focus where you know what you want and why you want it, and you're driven and you're hungry and you're committed and you got all your energy into it. And we help you to do that. Secondly, though, you got to put yourself in this place where you get the right skills. You need the right strategies. You need a map on how to get from where you are to where you really want to be. And a lot of people have a lousy map. The metaphor I use is before Google came along, we used to have MapQuest, and if you typed in the address you wanted to go from MapQuest and it printed out and you actually followed it, you usually got lost. The map was out of date. Well, today, most people's map about how to get from where they are to where they want to be financially is out of date. The economy has changed, and they don't know what to do to take advantage of this time. There are people doing really well right now. They don't know what to do to turn around their business. They tried so many things, don't work. They've given up on their body or their relationship. They've settled for a relationship where, you love each other, you're friends, but there's not deep love or not deep passion. Love and passion can be there, or even finding the right person. People settle for jobs. 45% of our population doesn't like their work. They don't like their job. It's not a mission. It's not a direction for them. These things can change, though, when you get somebody who's a coach who's done it with millions of other people to show you how to go from here to there. There's some common pathways. There's some common strategies. But you need a strategy that works and that's proven. I mean, if your strategy for losing weight is to go on some crazy diet, it's not going to last. And yet that's what most people do. They have strategies that are not sustainable. And oftentimes the strategies you learn they don't require a radical change in you. They just require doing the right thing a little differently. Sometimes people even do the right thing at the wrong time, and then they get frustrated. If you bought a home in 2006, buying a home might be the right thing. 2006 was the wrong time, at least in the US. So strategy and timing are everything. And I've spent 3 decades basically modeling people that have the most successful changes in their life physically and emotionally and relationships and finances and career, and said, what do they have in common? What do they do? What works? Let's do that. It's proven. Now, if you know what it is you really want and you give it total focus, and then you've got strategies that are absolutely proven to work, then is that all you need? Well, you would think it would be. But there are people, I'm sure that know what they want and why they want it, and they know how to go get it, but they aren't doing anything. That's because they're missing the third pillar of sustainable success. And without 2 pillars, a 2-legged stool doesn't stand real well, does it? You got to at least have 3. That third one is you've got to eliminate the inner conflicts. You've got to kind of unlock and unleash. Unlock these conflicts and unleash yourself again. And what I mean by these conflicts is that when you go to an event, what you're going to discover is it's not that hard for me to change my body or change my relationship or get the economics that I really deserve or make a shift in any area of life. Not that difficult in terms of complexity. The difficulty is that we have these mixed emotions. Part of you wants to make everybody happy and please everybody, and you also want to be true to yourself, and there's a conflict there. You want to be totally financially successful, and you don't want anybody to judge you. It ain't going to happen. They're going to judge you, because they have their own challenges within themselves. You want to be in a position where constantly you could really go for this goal, but simultaneously your fear pulls you back. And so you've got this conflict between your desire and your fear. Inner conflicts make people take 3 steps forward and 5 steps backwards. 2 steps forward, 3 steps back. It's what makes people sabotage themselves. It's not that all the good ones are gone. It's not that the good times are gone. The reason you're not getting what you want is there's inner conflict, and that is my specialty, is helping you to figure out what it is and be able to shift it very quickly and create an alignment in you so that every part of you is focused, you got the right strategy, and every part of you wants to move forward, and then you will. You'll be pulled towards what you want instead of trying to push your way to where you want to get. You're going to get exhausted if you try to just use willpower to make lasting change. It doesn't work. Push doesn't last. Pull. Having something attract you and pull you forward is a shift that happens inside of us, and I've got a process that over a few days will happen that'll make you feel a sense of excitement and passion and aliveness. It'll give you the pull so that you can make those lasting changes. And I've proven it over 30 years, 33 years now, 3 decades, for millions of people. So events, they're immersion. They're part of our immersion process. It's my ability to coach you, and then if you want, we have an individual coach that can follow up with you to make sure you stay on target. And we have some cool products that you can listen to when you're washing your car or going for a workout or driving your car to work each day, where you can keep conditioning yourself, because it's all about training yourself and conditioning yourself so that you follow through consistently and have the quality of life that you really desire and deserve. Does that make sense? Ultimately, if you get those 3 pillars in place, total clarity of what you want and why you want it, put yourself in an environment where you really connect the emotion to that'll drive you when things get tough. The skill sets and strategies that save you decades because someone else has spent all the trial and error to figure it out, and they've proven it, and they've lost that weight, and they've kept it off, or they've turned around that business, or they've made the economics happen, and they've shown you the pathway, the shortcut. And then just making sure all of you is aligned. When those things are aligned, you make things happen. I mean, think about it. The areas that you do really well in, you're focused on, you know what to do, and there's no part of you holding you back. And that's why you succeed. This is the process we use in our events. It's part of the immersion process. It's a hell of a lot of fun. And it's an experience I promise you won't forget as long as you live. And like everything we do, it has a total money-back guarantee. You can come to half the darn program, and if you're not out of your mind, we'll return your money and go. Our goal is to create raving fans. Been doing it for 3 decades. We'd like to be able to serve you as part of our family. And if we have that privilege and you do come to an event, come up and say hi. I'd love to meet you personally. Till then, live strong and live with passion. See you soon.